America, I have 2 more hours. I slept for 8 hours. It's crazy.
How much more hours?
2 more hours.
Of
And
what?
so we could go to America.
我们还有2个小时啊！这么快？
And then I slept 8 hours. And yeah, we're having breakfast
what's up?
right now. So the first thing
These are pretty good.
I want to review it. Anyways, so first, Squid Game is good, guys. Squid Game is good. Anyways,
I think they know it.
so first when like for dinner, I was still sleeping, so I didn't eat, but
I ate some rice with broccoli with cauliflower and with some bad chicken. Chicken, or like
Okay, that's what
I
she said.
know the chicken.
Okay, now let's try the food
I ate the
review.
rice.
So we got spammed eggs. Wait, Hunter, what's this called again?
How dare mom?
Wait, what was this called again? Wait, what was this called?
Scrambled egg.
Oh, I meant scrambled egg. I thought it was scrambled egg. Whatever.
The tomatoes make it.
Sorry, honey, your seat back, please. Just doing the meal service. Thank
Oh.
you so much.
Seat back. I got this.
Yeah, perfect.
Go. Easy.
Anyways, so massive.
Cheers. The beans are bad.
I don't like meat.
It's really good, actually.
I know. Hunter, what's this?
Cheers.
What's this? What?
Cheers on camera.
Camera. Ding. Oh. We got a sausage. There's beans, but I'm not trying the beans. It's okay, I guess. Hunter, what's this?
Potatoes.
Potato? Okay. I got potatoes. Let's try. Yeah. It's nasty, bruh. I got orange juice because it's breakfast. And I like it. I don't really like. Sometimes I don't like orange juice. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't because it makes my stomach hurt. Sometimes I do because it doesn't make my stomach hurt. Anyways, so there's bread.
I put a pack of butter in my bread. It's really good.
Yeah, there's butter, but I like normal bread.
It's really good.
Really good. On to my favorite ones. Fruits. So we have watermelon. Wait, what kind of melon is this called?
Cantaloupe? I don't know.
Cantaloupe?
I don't know.
为啥？
来烧麦吧，是不是？
啊，
这烧麦了，可以点。就这样。
就是烧麦。然后这是王烧烧麦。来走，来，
你们应该点炒面了，
那种还不
是那个越南炒粉儿好像。
Mommy, can I have a fruit?
可以啊，今天吃完你再来换换。
可以。And we have melon.
那么怎么可能还有2个小时啊？对呀、你看电视 9点到吗？
晚上10点呀、晚上10点，你现在几点了？
11点。早上11点。
啊不，哦1点的，这是中国时间1点的，中国的下午1点的。
Oh, that's what's this called?
like melon。
Oh, melon. Okay.
所以我们下午的下午
是，不是洛杉矶是晚上10点。
啊，
The most sweet one is watermelon.
那我们飞哪？
The second is melon.
洛杉矶啊，
Third is the green melon.
因为那2个小时是干什么的？
你看一看电视。
Watermelon. They're all melons, you guys know. There's watermelon, cantaloupe, or like that's still called the melon, and melon. It tastes really good. I just love airplane fruits because like fruits are good, you know? Bunny? Foot. Yay. I got more fruits from my mom. You guys could probably tell that fruits make me happy. No. No.
不是啊，
I'm done with my fruits. Now, there's our yogurt. Yummy.
我们已经飞了11个小时了呢。
没有吃。对。一共飞11个小时吧。你上飞机是没停一天
12个小时。
？12个小时多少分钟好像？
不就是大概1点2点下飞机吗？为什么要等9点？9点
9点？什么9点？
不是9点降落吗
9点美国时
美
间。
国时间9点，你现在手机上是中国时间啊。
哦。哦。
Let's try the yoga.
What time is it for me?
It's almost like 9